and welcome to another bite-sized jump into Lightrooms, where we're going to have a look at horizontals and verticals, changing and correcting those at the same time. So that would be taken care of if you've got buildings with parallax errors, where it's either leaning away from you and back or leaning towards you, and it's slightly off kilter at the same time. So we can use the same process we've used before in doing the verticals and horizontals, but doing it all in one go, and it makes for a better image at the end. So let's select one of our images. We're going to pick this one. I know we edited this one yesterday, but we're just going to take it back a little and do the whole process in one step. So let's go into the develop module, and just in case you don't know, is if you scroll down on the right hand side, or the left hand side, sorry, you've got a history panel, and if you go down to the very bottom there, it takes it back as though none of those settings have been applied to your instructions, so you can take it back to where you began. So we're going to correct the horizontals and these verticals at the same time, so everything looks nice and straight all in one go. And again, we're going to use the upright tool. So if we take it, find our uprights, and again it requires 2 points, so 2 verticals. Let's choose the window frame here again, and we're picking and the window frame over here. Let's choose the outside one, and that should straighten the verticals up for me, and we see it pops into place already looking a lot better. And then if we choose a horizontal, so I think we only need to choose one of them this time, and it will move it into position, and now we've got it all nice and flush, whereas before it's all a little bit skew-whiffy. So now it's all neat and tidy, and if we just scale down a bit, we can see what it's done in the background. So a little bit of pulling and shaping and tweaking here and there to get it all into that aspect and look. So that's how you correct your horizontals and verticals of an image all in one go, in a nice, quick, easy way. So, job done.